Praise to God for praise and show. Yes, is there? It's my duty. Yes, to talk to them. Talk to them again. And when I have a call, come say something. Say something more for you. You know? Don't say something.
Hi, good evening, everybody. I will say I am humbled, really humbled, at the turnout, at the fact that people were here before me. I'm really appreciative of it, and I am just so excited to be here and just like share one of these with you all. I'm not 100%, so forgive me if you don't see me too often or I might cut out. But trust and believe from the depths of my heart. Thank you very much.
Resilient. Persevere. Some beautiful words. Chris Manigan. You notice I don't elaborate too much on the introduction because when I talk about these people who they're here, when they come here, I put it on, don't it? No long introduction needed. Chris, come to it.
Good night, everyone. Yes, good night, Joseph. God bless you. Chris Monakai. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not fall. He makes the moonlight go in grass. Nothing in this guy shall not ever. I fear no future can pass. If I want to run out there, I will fear no evil. My God is with me when I walk at night. You know the mountains. So let the darkness come close to know it's my behind. Yes, we get the blind. Our lives are told we know he knows it will be. So when you listen, guys, remember that this battle is really. So just go and sing the songs of the silver songs. And any forces and parts, because we wore these when my soul for God. You want to know people care. You know not all of one, but sometimes we are watch. Things are totally different from the back. But they can rock the socks, so I can shut no looking back. They know I want to run down there. just know it's shining light. Yes, you're alright. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of death, I will fail. Walk at night, you know we have the night. So let the darkness come, just know it's shining light. Yes, we are alright, alright. When we walk this rainbow spot, no funny word can come to pass. No evil can come perish us. I know I'll be heard by everyone. As the mountain high, yes, in my body high. So now watch the face of the teeth. As when things going wrong, now we won't be like till you see the face of the feet. Remember this part, and we have another know it's like the listen rules on your feet. But to remember there is no surrender nor retreat. They know I love you, I'm not there. I will care no evil. My God is with me when I walk at night. You know we have the light. So let the darkness come, just know it's light. Yes, we are alright. Thank you. You know what that song was really like? Before I go a little further, alright, let me properly introduce myself. Yes, I'm an artist by the name Chris Malachi. Malachi is my name that I chose because it means messenger. You know, God messenger, that is something very important in our music. All of these songs that we right now are original songs. And this next song that I'm about to do is called Praying for Rain. It's a song that I wrote. Not yet, hold on. That's why. Alright. Yeah, man. So this song Praying for Rain, that's a song that I wrote. For somebody here and there to my mother, was to give her some form of upliftment and encouragement when she needed that. And right now I just want to sing this song for Joseph and pray for him. Just know that whatever trouble, whatever suffering, whatever pain you might be going through, don't stop praying for him. Pray. Don't let no tears and bones in your tears. Don't let no evil hope stop your hustle. You might don't let them see your face. Never let it go into your house. Got to keep one another. We cannot leave one another. And I said, who are we? None of us. Who are you to vote for us? Don't you know that we are us? Who are we? We are one of us. Who are you to vote for us? Don't you know that we are us?
Blessings.
Listen to me from Chinese verses, especially that second song. Pray for rain. No. You only pray for rain when there's one. You know, beach. You know, we're just going to take a second or two to pay some attention to Jenny Productions, phenomenal systems, Lasco Food, Lasco Pharmaceuticals, Carry Nature Products, Campari, and Megamart. We know all those stuff, right? That sponsors this program, and we have to give them thanks. Before we have our 8th edition, we're going to have another item and serve our friends. Friends, put your hands together for friends. After we have our 8th edition, usually the short we do into the language side here, and finish off the program. Present all for you. All for you. All right, let's go ahead.
without the Lord being before us. And as we sing this next song, I want for you to, if you know it, join along and sing with us. It's one of those oldies, what good is it? But it's still current in our time today. Can't even walk without. That's all.
I thought number one was surely me. I thought I could be all I wanted to be. I thought I could stand all I should stand, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I thought I could do a loss on my own. I thought I could make it. I make it all. I thought of myself as a mighty man, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain is too high, and the valley is too wide. Down on my knees, I learned to stand, but I can't even walk without you holding my I'll make Jesus my Lord and my all. From now on, when I'm in trouble, only His name I'll call. And if I will, I can trust Him. I'll be less cause I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Oh, I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Oh, the mountain is too high, and the valley is too wide. Down on my knees, where I learned to stand, but I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Finally, I mentioned something about intermission. I'm going to make an executive decision. The executive decision is I seem to know their mind stuff. So I'm thinking if I bring intermission, what would happen? I could really
is changing the energy inside this auditorium. Do you know what I'm going to do? I see people eating inside here, so I don't need an intermission. Ladies and gentlemen, I gave up. There we go.
They are songs of hope, songs to brighten and give her faith. Well, more faith, yes. I have never come across a person more faith. More positive energy and also undying that is just amazing. So she just stepped outside, but we hope that you will enjoy these two songs. And those of you who are after will share the message of the song.